Welcome to Chapter 1, The Sacred Convergence, a gaming epic fueled by sweat, neon, and the quest for the ultimate meta. Deep within this dimly lit lair, where chaos reigns supreme, two warriors grapple with the eternal struggle of the shifting game meta. The environment pulses with volatile energy, a hyper-stylized world of intense commitment and absolute disregard for cleaning. On the screens, the action is relentless. Only the masters can keep up with the sweaty mechanics of this high-octane digital battlefield. Behold JB, gripped by the existential dread of every true gamer, the moment the current meta dies, taking his win rate with it. He pleads for the cosmic truth. Master KG, I am nothing. The walls crumble around me. Show me the path to rock and roll victory. His dramatic despair is profound. The current meta, the delicate balance of power has been snatched away. He is adrift in the casual sea. Across the chasm of despair sits KG, the ultimate master, a rock and roll samurai awaiting the moment of transmission. His throne is his dominion. His vest, a prototype of power, glows with the subtle, cold light of pure, concentrated, sweaty skill. KG speaks the cosmic truth. The meta is not found in the patch notes, JB. It is felt, it is encoded, it is haptic. The time for verbal guidance is over. To truly master the flow, they must achieve the haptic awakening. With a newfound reverence, JB receives his own prototype. This is not just fabric and circuitry, it is the conduit of the meta. As the vests activate, the gaming lair is momentarily drowned in a torrent of neon energy. The code is run, the connection is made. This is it. Two minds, two vests, now linked in a profound, rhythmic, and supremely sweaty convergence. KG explains the new language. The haptic code speaks only of true danger. A rhythmic thud for a flank, a sharp zap for an impending snipe. The game becomes a complex air traffic control map. Every enemy movement is a tracked bogey. No one can hide from the convergence. The audio is layered with sharp, rhythmic electric zaps and percussive thuds, matching the heavy rock track, solidifying the immersive haptic code. The teaching phase is complete. The moment of truth has arrived. The heavy acoustic track begins its inevitable, glorious build. JB's theatrical despair is replaced by steely, sweaty determination. KG's stoicism remains absolute. Their focus is one. The heavy metal guitar track screams, hitting its maximum intensity, urging them toward the inevitable digital reckoning. They share a final, knowing glance. The convergence is complete. The new meta is activated. They now possess the ultimate sweaty purpose.